I'm gonna show you how to change time zone on Binance app. So to get started, you have to open your Binance app, and then after you open the app, it will redirect you to the home page. And then if you look at the upper left corner, you can see the three dash. You have to click on it, and then on the upper right corner you can see the settings icon right there. You click on it, direct you to the next page, and then you have to scroll down to the settings to find the change chart and time zone, then click on it, and now you're on the change and chart time zone page. So in this area you're going to select the desired time zone that you want, or you can just click on the default or last 24 hours, and after you click it and press back, it will automatically applied in your settings. So there you go.